Hello honeys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the road opener spell for February 2023, and I was really focusing on opening your heart this month, and also heart healing and just healing in general. So, and of course self-love. So this is a candle dedication to Dawn because she is one of our extra special members who has a candle for all 4 spells. So I figured I would just make you a big beautiful candle that I can burn every single spell. So let me know what you think about that, and you will see it burning throughout the spell, which I thought was really cool. So I decided to do something a little bit different this month. I feel like everybody really wants a switch up, and I do not want you guys getting bored with these spell videos. So I'm sorry if this is not your jam, but this is something that I have been really called to do. And this month I decided to make a Florida water, doing Florida water update, like an updated recipe of a previous video that I did. So this one's going to be specifically geared towards heart cleansing, heart healing, and heart opening. So I thought that was really appropriate for this month, and I'm really excited about it. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. This is a really easy recipe for you to do that is no cook, so you don't have to boil anything, you don't have to do any of that, and then you just end up leaving it for a moon cycle. Today I am adding in these beautiful roses from a bouquet that my husband gave me previously, and then a lemon. Right now I am cutting the lemon in a spiral type fashion, and to me this really symbolized the opening of pathways and that kind of never-ending cycle that keeps going and opening for us. Lemon is also one of my favorite road opening ingredients, so you have seen that in all of my previous videos as well. It is just so bright and so energizing and very motivating. I also used this mandarin orange. I didn't have any regular oranges, but this tends to work for me, so I like to peel them in a spiral as well. And again, just very brightening and opening, one of my classic road opening herbs that I like to use. And I got to snack on the orange afterwards as well. So another way that you can do this, if you don't have fresh oranges, if you happen to have dried herb as well, and I may put together a kit to make it easier if you want to make this on your own. I also added allspice, clove, of course, for purification, any hex breaking and protection. And you can also use dried roses that you can get pretty much anywhere as well, and that will be included in the kit. I also did bay for manifestation and purification, so just love the way these sound. And of course allspice, or I'm sorry, star anise is another one of my favorites. And rosehips for our just heart health in general. I like to mix the both herbal, like medicinal properties, as well as magical properties when I do my work. And acorns are also one of my favorite for luck drawing and abundance. So cinnamon, I got cinnamon chunks here. And then also sticks can be used, whichever you prefer. I definitely would go against not do powdered cinnamon or like ground cinnamon, just because it tends to muddy up the Florida water a lot. But those are our main ingredients. Dawn's candle burning. And so if you're not part of the Coven, and if you are not really used to seeing this kind of video, this is where you would put your petition. So like if you wanted to do this for heart opening and the previous intentions I said, then you can put your intention here, or you can do it for just regular Florida water uses, which would be like purification and cleansing. But this I did for the Honey Coven membership as part of our spell, so I put all of our names at the bottom of the jar, and I will be performing the spell along on top of the names to really bring us those energies. So now I'm going to go about adding all of the little ingredients. I'll let you kind of enjoy this for now. If you are interested in being a part of the future Coven spells, make sure you check out the link down below. I am still offering the first month free, so you can kind of try it out before you commit. And I also do a custom candle dedication where I will write your name on a candle and burn it for you during the spell. And the membership does include the 4 spells every month, so I thought that was special. It's something that I've been really enjoying, connecting with you guys and the beautiful honeys, getting to know you guys more. And also, if you are a part of the Coven, and then if you want to become part of the Coven in the future, we do have a Discord, which is really exciting. I'll include that link below as well. And if you're a part of the Coven membership, we have a special Discord channel that is private for just us members. So really great way to really get to know each other in a deeper way. And we also vote on future intentions and stuff for the alchemy spells, and I take your guys' advice and ideas into consideration when doing the spells. So another thing that I'm very excited about that I've been doing for the past few months now is this month, or for this spell in particular, I'm going to be, instead of doing a spell bag giveaway for the members, I will be doing a giveaway with 1 bottle, like a spray bottle of this beautiful concoction. So you will get a Florida water spray bottle at the next full moon. So I'll be shipping it out next full moon, just so it gets a good amount of time to really sit and be saturated and soak in all the herby goodness and the properties. So I will be announcing that at the end of this giveaway as well, so stick around. A little bit more about the giveaways I do for the members. So every month, like I said, I usually do spell bags with the different herbs that I use in the spell. But from now on, and at least a lot of the times, I'm going to be doing different things like this. So the Florida water, I have an idea to do some like home blessing, different things, and cleansing, pretty much whatever I'm feeling inspired to do that kind of goes along with that month's energy. So I will be giving away a sample or a whatever I make, and you'll be able to enjoy that. So these next few items I'm going to be adding in are particular to the heart intention, the heart chakra intention and work we're doing. But if you didn't want to do that, then you can just leave it without these. But this is some rose quartz. I added some Lemurian quartz. I added a stick of Palo Santo for cleansing and bringing in the positive energies. As you can see, I'm also adding in some different essential oils, and so this is rose. I'm adding some bergamot for some more opening, and then I also added some lemon and orange essential oil just to really brighten up that scent, because I really want the citrus to come through. I also added the ginger salt and the hibiscus. Right now I am topping it with 100 proof vodka. You can also use rubbing alcohol, which I kind of advise against. It's just such a strong smell. The vodka has like a much better, it's a lot more mild as far as the scent goes, so it doesn't overpower the herbs. So if what you really want from this is to enjoy the aroma as well, I definitely recommend vodka, 100 proof vodka. I think 80 to 90 proof or higher is great, but this is just the cheapest stuff I could find because I use it in a lot of my tinctures. So you can see I also added some hibiscus, and it's given it that beautiful red pink color, and it continues to deepen. I would definitely use less than I did next time, just because it got so dark by the end of it that I'm not sure if it will stain anything that you spray it onto, but yeah, I definitely love how it turned out. Now I will be letting this little baby sit for the full moon cycle, and you can let it sit for as long as you feel called to do. But I would definitely recommend at least one moon cycle. I will be doing another video in the near future on a cook method that you can use right away. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. So this month's giveaway winner for a bottle of this beautiful Florida water is Nicole. Congratulations to you, girl. I will be sending it out next full moon after it has had time to soak, and I hope you enjoy it. I will talk to you all later. Blessed be, honeys. Bye.